Assalamu alaikum. Today we will solve question number 17 in this paper exam of Thursday, January 2021 for mathematics exam paper 1H for IGCSE. So let's see question number. In question number 17, it's talking about a solid S is made from a hemisphere and cylinder. The center of the circular face of the hemisphere and the center of the top face of the cylinder are at the same point. And the radius of the cylinder and the radius of the hemisphere are both x centimeter, and the height of the cylinder is 20 minus 4x centimeter. So the volume of the solid in centimeter cube, where v equal 1/3 by y. So the question is to find the maximum value of y, and this is the shape. Okay, so here we have the shape, and as shown in the picture, the shape is a solid made by a cylinder, okay, and a hemisphere. So if we need to solve the question here, since y it's coming in the formula of the volume, so we have to find the volume of the solid. If we need to find the volume of the solid, so we need to find the volume of the hemisphere, which is by using this formula, which is half volume of the sphere, which is half times 4/3 by r cube, and by finding the volume of the cylinder by multiplying the radius of the circular face of the cylinder by pi and h. Okay, and the height of the cylinder actually here it's represented by 20 minus 4x, and the radius of both hemisphere and cylinder represented by x, and the volume of the solid is given by this formula 1/3 by y. So mean that the volume of the solid is the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the hemisphere. And the volume of the solid is given by 1/3 by y. So mean that if we add all the formulas, 1/3 by y equal the volume of the hemisphere, okay, using the formula, plus the formula of the volume of the cylinder, which is x bar 2 by times the height, which is 20 minus 4x. Okay, now we will do simplify on the right part of this expression by multiplying, okay, half with 4/3, and then we have it like this. I will divide both sides by 3/pi to solve it for y. So if I need to solve it for y, because the question is asking for the maximum value of y, so we need to convert this expression and solve it for y. So we will multiply both sides by 3/pi to keep only y on the left side. So we have it after simplifying y equals 60x bar 2 minus 10x bar 3, because when you multiply both sides by 3/pi, in 1/3 by y you will cancel 1/3 and by. In the first term on the right side you will 3/pi, it will be 2, you will cancel 3 with 3, and you will cancel by with by, so still 2 with x cubed, and plus 20, we will do the same here. We will cancel by with by, so still we have 60 x bar 2, and minus 80 by x cubed, we will do the same. So after doing all the simplifying and collecting the like terms, we will have y equals 60x bar 2 plus minus 10x cubed. Now we will take expression, okay, to find the maximum of y. So to find the maximum of y, how to find it? By finding dy over dx and make it equal 0, then solve it for x. So after we found this expression, y equals 60x bar 2 minus 10x cubed, we will find the first derivative of this expression. Then I will make it equal 0, then I will solve it for x. So the value of x, I will find it, I will substitute it in y to get the maximum value of y. So dy over dx, if we need to find the first derivative, so 60x bar 2, it will be 120x by multiplying the power of x by 60, 2 times x, 120, and subtract the power by 1. And do the same with the second term, 10x power 3. So 3 times 10, which is 30, and subtract the power by 1, you will have 2. Direct make it equal 0. Solve it for x by factoring. Okay, so it will be like this. So since it's quadratic equation, we will have two answers for x. The first value of x is 0 and x equal 4. So for x equals 0, we will reject this answer since x represents the radius of both hemisphere and cylinder, and the radius cannot be 0. So only we have one correct answer, which is x equal 4. So x equal 4, which is the correct answer. Now substitute the value in the expression of y. After we substitute it, so we will have y equal 320, which is the maximum value of y, and this is the answer of question number 17. So this is about question number 17. Thank you for watching us. See you next video, inshallah.